Hello and welcome to Next Venture Financing. My name is Steve, executive broker and owner of Next Venture Financing, and I wanted to take this time to do a small demonstration, a very short demonstration on the software that I use to connect my clients, borrowers out there with lenders that are out there, hundreds of lenders that are out there across the country, so that my clients can have a better chance of getting loans approved. And so I'm going to take you step by step with the Boefly system that a lot of brokers are using today. Let's take a look. So the first thing that we do is we make sure that we get them qualified. So we go through a quick qualification system where we check their credit, and this is only done one time. So once this is done, it gets put into the Boefly system. Lenders will be able to review the credit history, the credit report, whether it be business credit or consumer credit or both. And then from then on, they're just going to either accept the deal or not. So first and foremost, have to make sure that the borrower, like yourself, is qualifiable. Next, what we do is we will take you into the process where we're packaging these deals. So this is on my part. I package these deals, and then I'll submit them to these lenders. But we need cooperation from the borrower. So the borrower is going to supply this information for me myself. So this is what we do. We send them over a link to upload documentation. So any documentation, whether it be tax returns for the last 2 to 3 years, bank statements, business plan, projections, things like that, a business resume, all those types of things you can actually upload into this system. It goes right into Boefly. Next, what we want to do is then we want to send over to you or to the borrower a smart form. And now this smart form is designed for you to put all kinds of information on there so that you entice lenders. So you'll put on there loan purpose. You'll put on whether you'll have any type of seller financing. You'll put your assets, your liabilities on there as well too. You will also be looking at putting in information such as what type of loan products you're interested in actually applying for, whether it be SBA, conventional loan, lines of credit, equipment financing, bridge loans, Harmony lending, so on and so forth. You can also see if you can target a certain term. So whether it be interest rates, short-term, long-term, you can put those on there as well. Of course, we're going to be asking on this form basic information like business name, business address, contact information on there, what type of entity is it, and also what type of industry. After that, we'll talk about personal financial statements are going to be something that's really important. What's in your savings, if you have any real estate, if you have any assets, personal assets. Then we'll go into if you have any types of collateral, commercial real estate, machinery, things like that. Then we're really interested, or lenders are going to be interested in actually taking a look at your business revenue. So they want to make sure, or they want to see what type of cash flow is coming through. And from your liabilities and debts that you put in up above will be placed here under debt. And from then on, it will calculate the ratios on there. You click submit, and then it gets put right back into the Boefly system. Once that happens, I will submit it to lenders, and it's just very simple. I make it live. Lenders will be able to review this. I can either go and select a list of lenders that I prefer to work with, or I can send it out to all the lenders that are out there across the country. Now, I also wanted to demonstrate the side of the lender and what they're looking at. So they put criterias that they filter criterias that they want to pull leads. So maybe they want a credit score of 650 and up. Maybe they want a business credit score of 150 and up. Maybe they want to work with somebody who's in a certain industry. So whatever the case may be, they'll go ahead and actually put those filters in and those criterias, and then we'll click submit, and then they'll get a list of businesses that they may want to work with. There's a rating system on there. They can pass on the deal, or they can accept the deal. They can also choose by demographic. They can go in and say, hey, this business is right around the corner for me. I do want to work with them. Then it comes back on to me. So as a broker, I can go ahead and grant the lender access to review the whole deal. And then once that happens, I can also communicate as well with these lenders to find out whether they're interested in going forward with the deal, where they are in the process of the deal, and I can send them a quick email to all of them at once if I've granted multiple lenders to review the deal. So that's just a quick demo of the software that I use. A lot of smart brokers are using this type of software now. It just makes it a lot easier for borrowers to be exposed out there, and for lenders to see that. Better chance for borrowers to get approved, and that's the whole purpose of it. If you're interested in actually moving forward with this type of software, and you would like to have a better chance of getting your loans approved, contact me at the bottom of my website, or you can contact me, Steve at nextventurefinancing.com. Talk to you guys soon.